I'm taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, just putting it all over my face, rubbing it in, well, patting it in with my fingertips. Next, I'm taking my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream and just putting it under my eyes as well. And then I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and just blend that out so it can soak up some of that BB cream. Here I'm just deciding between my Maybelline Fit Me powder so I can set that BB cream in the rest of my face. Here I'm just taking my Mario Badescu spray to just set my face. I'm using my favorite foundation, Fenty Beauty in 310, and I'm spraying my Sonia foundation brush with Mario Badescu as well. Helps blend it better. I use tapping motions to blend out my foundation. I never swipe, I just always tap it in. I'm going to spray my face with Mario Badescu again. I'm taking my favorite drugstore concealer, the CoverGirl True Matte Concealer, and putting it under my eyes. Chick-fil-A got the best lemonade, and I don't even drink lemonade. I'm taking this concealer brush to blend out my concealer under my eye. Next, I'm taking this L'Oreal concealer to brighten up under my eye a bit. Sorry, y'all, I am munching on some Chick-fil-A fries. And then I'm also going to take this ColourPop concealer to brighten up under my eye a bit. Not too much, just a little, because I don't like a very bright under eye. I'm just fetting my face to dry down that concealer a bit, and then I'm going to take a different concealer brush to blend out my under eye concealer again. Now I'm taking a small beauty supply store beauty blender to blend up under my eye just a bit. I'm taking this Wet n Wild concealer to cream contour. I'm going to take that same beauty blender I used up under my eye to blend out this contour. I'm taking my ColourPop powder and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set my under eye. I'm also going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder to brighten up under my eyes as well. I'm taking this Bahama Mama bronzer to bronze / contour my face. I'm taking that same bronzer to put on my lid as well, and then I'm going to also contour my nose. I'm taking this big fluffy brush to brush off all that powder. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 310, putting that all over my face. And then I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray and spray my face once more. I'm taking more of that Fit Me powder and putting that all over my face once more. And then I'm going to spray with my Cover FX setting spray. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette and going to use that highlighter to highlight my face. I'm taking this liquid liner and going to put back on my beauty marks. Like, do you see this? This looks like skin, okay? Like, look at this. It looks like skin, which is my
baby.
fave, and putting that on my bottom lashes. I'm taking this brown lip liner and gonna line my lips. Taking this beauty supply store eyeliner and gonna line my waterline. Using my Maybelline lipstick in Truffle Tease or number 930, followed by Colored Rain's Butter Love lip gloss and my Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Peekaboo. Taking one of my favorite setting sprays, the Cover FX 24-hour setting spray. Alright, now you see my face looking real smooth and skin-like. Next, I'm going to start working on my hair so I can quit looking a mess. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you soon.